Hello to the Deep Dive family, welcome back. Have you ever thought about Earth's 4.5 billion year history? The number is so large our brains can't really comprehend it. But what if I told you that this entire chaotic history, full of mass extinctions and rebirths, could be told in a 10-minute story? A story where the main character is us. By the end of this video you won't just be looking at our planet's past, you'll better understand our own place in this cosmic drama. So buckle up because we're about to take a very, very fast journey back to the beginning of time. 4.5 billion years ago, there was nothing but a giant cloud of gas and dust. The force of gravity compressed this cloud tighter and tighter until at its center, our sun was born. The rest of the debris clumped together to form the planets of the solar system. One of these planets was a hot, molten ball of rock that we now call Earth. But this Earth bore no resemblance to our home today. Its atmosphere was toxic, and its surface was covered in active volcanoes, until a great catastrophe changed everything. A rogue planet the size of Mars, named Theia, collided with Earth at a speed of thousands of kilometers per hour. The impact was so massive that it threw trillions of tons of molten rock into space. Over millions of years, these fragments, under the influence of Earth's gravity, came together to form our only moon. The moon was the best thing that could have happened to Earth. It slowed down Earth's rotation, stabilized the planet's axis, and allowed for a stable climate. This cosmic disaster set the stage for the next miracle. Gradually, the Earth cooled, and the vapor in the atmosphere began to rain down. A rainfall that lasted for millions of years and created the world's first oceans. And it was in the depths of these dark, primordial oceans, about 3.7 billion years ago, that the first spark of life appeared. Microscopic, single-celled organisms. They were simple, but they had an amazing ability: evolution. But our story is just getting exciting. About 2.5 billion years ago, one of these single-celled organisms came up with a revolutionary idea: photosynthesis. Cyanobacteria learned to use sunlight as an energy source, and in return, they produced a byproduct that would change the world forever: oxygen. For early life on Earth, oxygen was a toxic gas, causing the first major extinction event in history. But this same gas created the ozone layer and paved the way for more complex life to emerge. Over hundreds of millions of years, Earth froze and thawed repeatedly. Supercontinents like Rodinia and Pannotia formed and broke apart, until about 540 million years ago, a sudden explosion occurred. In a brief period of a few tens of millions of years, known as the Cambrian Explosion, life on Earth erupted. Almost all major animal phyla that exist today came into being during this period. From strange creatures to the first fish, the Earth was teeming with life, but this party wasn't meant to last forever. Earth's history is a tale of 5 terrifying mass extinctions. The first extinction wiped out 85% of marine species, but each extinction acted like a reset button for evolution, providing opportunities for new species to emerge. After millions of years, the first plants and animals set foot on land. The Earth turned into a green world, and the supercontinent Pangaea brought all the world's land masses together. But the greatest catastrophe in Earth's history was on its way. 250 million years ago, a massive volcanic activity wiped out 96% of all life on Earth. This event, known as the Great Dying, turned our planet into an almost dead desert. But from the ashes of this disaster, the next rulers of the Earth were born. The age of dinosaurs had begun. For 180 million years, dinosaurs were the undisputed rulers of the Earth, from the smallest species to colossal giants. During this time, the first small mammals also appeared, but they had no chance to thrive under the shadow of these giant reptiles. Until 66 million years ago, a rock the size of a city arrived from space and struck the Earth with incredible speed. The impact triggered a nuclear winter and brought the reign of the dinosaurs to an end forever. This extinction was the best news the mammals could have heard. Now it was their turn to take the stage. In Africa, a group of primates evolved that had a unique trait: walking on 2 legs. This allowed them to free their hands and use tools. They learned how to control fire, how to hunt, and how to communicate with each other. Various human species like Neanderthals appeared and vanished. Until about 300,000 years ago, a particular species, Homo sapiens or wise man, emerged. Us. We developed complex language, invented agriculture, and built the first cities. We learned how to write and record our own history. In the blink of an eye, we went from a vulnerable species in Africa to the absolute rulers of the planet. The Industrial Revolution in the last 200 years gave us the power to change the face of the Earth. Our population grew from 1 billion to 8 billion. We traveled to the moon and unlocked the secrets of the atom. And this brings us to today, to the final second of this 4.5 billion year story. We are at the peak of our power, but we also face the greatest challenge we've ever encountered: climate change. Our activities are rapidly increasing the planet's temperature, destroying biodiversity, and raising sea levels. Scientists warn that we may be on the verge of the sixth mass extinction in Earth's history. An extinction that this time isn't caused by a volcano or an asteroid, but by ourselves. The story of Earth is a story of constant change, a story that shows us how resilient and yet how fragile life can be. We are the product of a 4.5 billion year chain of cosmic events and evolution. And now, for the first time in this planet's history, its future lies in the hands of one of its species, us. Thank you for staying with us on this incredible journey. Looking at this big picture reminds us how lucky we are to be here and what a heavy responsibility rests on our shoulders. We love you guys. Please help us tell these big stories to more people by liking and subscribing to the Deep Dive channel. Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think is the most important lesson to be learned from Earth's history? Until the next video, let's take care of our home.